Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at the upcoming payments tab and the settings tab within the Invoices application of KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the Invoices application, the upcoming payments to be received can be viewed by clicking on the Upcoming Payments tab within the Invoices application. Here, the payment that need to be received in early stages of the particular day the user has logged in will be displayed. A detailed view of all the accounts receivable for the particular organization can be viewed within the Collector app, which will be covered in a later set of tutorial videos. Under the Settings tab, the user can manage and manipulate the entity addresses and the bank addresses. Both have similar functionalities where for entity addresses, the customer addresses and also the legal entity addresses for a particular organization can either be created and also the existing addresses can be edited, deleted, can be marked and unmarked as default addresses or as billing addresses, and can also be translated to other languages. The same functions can be done for bank addresses as well. And all these addresses that are updated here can be viewed and updated when the PDF is drafted during the billing of an invoice. Thank you for watching.